Excellent bevel. Nice little burr. Finish up that little inside edge with a flat file, then I'm done.